Our project is to design a protest pavilion for our client NEFA, who will be attending Modify 2020. Modify is a yearly festival, a communal village filled with creativity, entertainment, workshops, art, and fire. Our client NEFA is an organization against logging native forests, causing deforestation and invading habitats of other living creatures among us. They are currently proposing protecting and preserving koalas' population. The pavilion will locate near the camping area, surrounded by other activities. It is a message to be seen built following these instructions. The pavilion is not just a structure, but also a messenger. The design concept is around these elements: biodiversity, habitat, reconnections. How do we achieve those in our design? Well, all ideas come from daring sketches. The first model is trying to represent habitat relationships. However, it shows minimal meaning about connections. One thing interested me: tree roots. Sampling, tracing, and paper folding helped me to complete the model. Few iterations were done after the model to improve the meaning of connections within the form while maintaining a reasonable visual private space. I have decided to use interlocking with nuts and bolts and stacking of recycled timber to represent relationship and connections. Through the appearance of the pavilion, a message is sent out. The portability of the pavilion is also following one of the guide principles: leave no trace. A deployable structure that can be assembled pre-event and disassembled for relocation post-event. All materials are prepared and transported to the site. So we're not burning it. Let me introduce you to the final design. We start from the plan view. The message is sent not only through the way it is built, but also how spaces are created in between. The two meeting spaces are almost identical, but different in sizes represents the similarity how we use habitats. However, the connections between 12 people meeting space and veranda for public and protesting stage shows how we intentionally extend and invading other habitats. Let me bring you to the front of the pavilion, showing you how potentially protesting and meeting are using this space. Let's walk to the back to see how the private meeting space is filtered from media observation and major meeting room. Designing this pavilion is a deep and meaningful journey. The concept is not only to design, but also a reflection about ourselves. Us humans need to reconsider using resources responsibly and reconnect to the nature. Thank you.